So thank you, Mr. Joseph, for visiting our site.
Yeah,
Now that you
thank
are
you,
expecting very good
Yeah.
products from us. So here is our farm actually. As you can see, we closed some months back, 2 to 3 months back, due to some circumstances that we'll explain to you. And because now we are having all the resources that we were lacking some months back, we want to start it off, and we assure you that you will receive the necessary or final products that we inquire from us. Huh? Yeah. So here is Mr. Patrick, my machine operator and business department and all that. I trust that here you have a very good connection with him, and he has just maybe brought you in. I'm glad, Mister. Yeah. So here we are having a room here that we are just structuring so that our subordinates will sleep here. Those people who will be casualty, the people that will help in casual works and all that will be spending their nights up here, and everything will be okay. Now, yeah, briefly, you may introduce to him maybe your role within our farm and all that.
So, Bwana Investor, my name is Patrick. As your father, I'm the machine operator here, and I also handle the business part of it. So we are pleased that you have joined us here, and we are more than willing to take you around so that you can see the work that is going on here. And you know, when COVID struck, we were a bit stuck in terms of finances. So it is a pleasure inviting you here so that you can see the work that we are doing. And as we proceed, you are going to be given a plan on what we have been working with and what we aspire the company to, where we expect the company to be. So you'll be handed the plan, and you'll get to see for yourself. I think our results speak for themselves, so you can just join us. So
feel free to join us to the farm. Actually, you don't usually allow people to come without the helmets and the reflectors and all that. But for the sake of today, you just feel free. We'll just pass by and see on how the process takes place here. And maybe the sample of the final product.
Everything is safe.
Yeah, it's bushy, but we are going to clear it. Don't worry. So this is the entire machine that we are having, that we just imported from this machine just came from India. They are very good machines. Yeah, now here, just a brief. Okay, fine. Yeah, here, just a brief clarification here. The entire thing before we go step by step. We are having our intake there, where we take our raw material. Yeah. Then it moves to the first machine that breaks it to a moderate size. Then this one, it's transmitted here. Then this one breaks it down to the final size that is required. Then it's moved to where there is maybe where we have to measure the tons and all that. Thereafter, we are having the three parts whereby we load the truck. Where your truck will be, our truck to deliver to your place will be loaded. Yeah, so we can start seeing it physically from the other end.
You can also have a plan.
This is plan.
Yeah, have the plan and actually see on what it's doing.
Once they are loaded here, now it's just a process of taking them down.
Yeah, as you can see, we are having raw materials. Stones are all over. Look the other side. Stones are everywhere. So we go collect them. Then our tippers, we call them tipper. Yeah. Our heavy vehicles. Comes with them. Then they load it here. They deposit here. So the entire thing comes from here. The entire thing starts from here. Oh, I know you are not seeing electricity here. You may ask, where is electricity or source of power something?
Where do you get the power from?
Yeah, we are having our generator there. It's a very, very expensive generator, you can see.
Yeah.
We are having our generator there. So it's a generator that can drive the entire machines. So this generator will operate the whole work. Power comes there, goes to the first intake of power intake, the other side.
Okay.
So we deposit the whole raw materials here. It starts motion. It moves to the first machine that I said. Yeah, we can go and see where.
When investor, just to add on what my senior has stated, what you learn is that we have a crew here, and before they start operating our machine, the safety comes first.
Yeah.
So for you, we have allowed you to come with some open shoes, but for our staff, we expect them to have gumboots, a helmet, and a reflector. Because as you are aware, here we have stones, and anytime you can have some damage. But also we have a program to ensure that our staff, those who get damaged here, are well taken care of. We have a sub-hospital just downwards here. But due to time, we will not visit that area.
Yeah.
In the meantime, we'll just concentrate with what is happening here.
And do they have insurance cover just in case of anything?
Yeah,
Insurance
so for
cover
the
is there.
insurance cover, that is something that is in progress now that most of our workers are casual. And as you're aware, casual laborers, leo wako, kesho hayuko.
Okay.
So that is something that we are working on. But for our permanent staff, that is those who drive the tippers, those who operate the system down here, those are permanent employees. So for them, they are fully covered.
That's great.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are having the safety wear during operation, so there's no problem. Let us come see. You can see our generator. It's a very powerful generator that was just imported from India. Very powerful. Yes, here we are. We are having our powerhouse here. There is a powerhouse.
Okay.
Yeah, we are having our powerhouse here, as you can see. Yeah, that is our powerhouse. Now this is the generator. Yeah, it is here, that is. Now, power comes. Now this is the,
Respect Power Limited.
yeah, this is the first motor. We call this pulley.
Okay.
This is a pulley. This is a pulley that is driven with 7 belts. Because whatever we are dealing with is a very, very heavy load that is driven, and the entire work is very heavy. So we are having 7 strong belts here, as you can see. So this pulley drives this bigger pulley. So when it drives this bigger pulley, that is,
So it crushes the...
yeah. Actually, as I told you, the first machine is there. There is power there, as you can see. So that one is driven there. This one is driven there. So the first machine crushes the raw material into first size.
You can have it.
Then it is transmitted here.
These are the second process now.
Yeah.
Yeah. The first one is larger. You can see there. Yeah. So from there, this one crushes it further to the final sized product. You get the point? So this pulley drives that. Then this one does the work now. After that, the final product comes here, and it's the same thing that takes to the other side. It comes here, then it's carried. This one is to carry the final product to the other container where we measure the weight, the tons, the number of tons. So it comes this way. At times, the final product, you know, it's a machine, an error may occur, but we are having a system here that will separate the final best product and the ones that are not produced the best way. The ones that we call them rejects, they will be transmitted back, then goes back to the machine. You get the point? Then reformed again, then comes now as they are required.
The final...
Yeah. So the waste ones or the bigger size one will come back here. Then they go back to the machine that produces the final what? The final size. Then they will come in the best way ever. So from there,
This is the final product.
the final product is here.
Yeah.
We call it dust.
Yeah.
Now we call it dust. This one. We call
Oh,
it
this
dust.
is the final product.
Yeah. We call it dust. The other one, the first machine produces kokoto. We call it kokoto.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Kokoto.
this one, kokoto. Then this final one produces dust. We call it dust. So thereafter,
And just to To explain, this was our first. So what we are crushing started from here.
Okay.
Then we moved to
Then
this
to
one.
here.
Now we are. Yeah.
We are
So you see there
here.
is a difference, huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are having these 3 belts. Actually, that there are wide belts that can carry the loader.
Okay.
That drive the final product to the loading points now. So these 3, as you can see them from this end. Oh, you can see they are 3. Yeah? So even if you come with a lorry that its height is what measure,
Okay.
we can load it as you can see. So the final product will come, then get loaded to the heavy commercial truck now.
Okay.
This serves one, this one serves another one, the other one serves two. So even if you may require what quantity of final product at what span of time, we can serve it. Because we'll be serving 3 trucks at a time, as you can see. And you are free to ask any question. You are free to ask any question.
And I think before our investor ask a question, we also have a water system. Water is very key in this project